Hi friends, I'm Shobha Khemani. Welcome to Khemani Kitchen. Today I have with me my sister Chef Asha Bhagchandani. Hi Asha,
Hi Shobha,
how are you?
I'm fine.
So what are you making today?
Today I'm making Shahi Gatta.
Shahi Gatta. Sounds good.
Yeah.
So Asha, to make Shahi Gattas, you gave me a list of ingredients.
Yeah.
I have everything here, so we'll go one by one and then if you tell me if something is missing.
Okay.
Okay, so I have 3 cups of besan.
Yeah.
I have some cilantro
Yeah.
chopped.
Chop.
I have 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of hing. I have 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. I have some salt to taste. I have about 1 tablespoon,
That's fine.
and I have 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. I have some kasuri methi that I have washed.
That's fine.
And this is for the gattas. And for the gravy, I have some jeera, like 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, half a teaspoon hing. I have some garam masala, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 8 to 10 whole red chilies, dried. I have chopped curry patta, and I have cilantro, 1 cup of yogurt, 1.5 cups of tomato puree. I have 1 tablespoon of ginger and green chilies, some kasuri methi, I have washed it, and 1 large onion I have chopped. That's it. Anything else you need?
No.
Okay, so I have some oil.
Okay.
I know you need a lot of oil for this. So let's start.
In the big thal, I will put besan. Okay. And then I will add all the ingredients.
All the masalas that
all
we
the
have?
masala I have.
Like methi and haldi, namak,
Namak,
everything. you put.
Everything I put it together.
Okay. Let's start.
And then we will add some oil.
Oil.
About 1 cup oil will be there, right?
1 cup oil. Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll see as we go.
Slowly. Mixing it.
We'll keep mixing the oil and see.
Yeah.
So, is there any way to know how much oil is needed?
Approximately 1 cup.
No, like when we make samosa dough, I know I make a ball and I throw it, and if it doesn't break, that means it's ready.
Yeah.
So, is there any way to find out how much oil is needed, or you just keep
We
putting-
have to see that it is just like a koki masala, we make it
like breadcrumbs?
breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
And I will start adding little water also. If you will not put oil, then it will become hard.
Okay. So to make soft gattas,
Soft
you have
gatta,
to put a
you
lot
have to
of.
put lot of oil. And slowly you will know. See, it is, if you are doing that
Binding.
binding,
Yeah, it's binding. This side is dry, huh?
Yeah.
So you lived in Gujarat when you were in
Yeah,
India.
yeah.
So in Gujarat they make these?
No, my Punjabi friend was there. She taught
Oh,
me.
okay. Because I know Gujaratis don't eat gattas.
Mm.
They don't make. They must be
No, no,
eating,
no.
but I don't think
But
they
my
make.
friend was very good in that.
Okay. Punjabi friend.
Punjabi. You must be knowing Bubbly.
Okay.
Yes.
So Bubbly taught you how to make
Yeah,
gattas.
yeah.
She was from Delhi.
But she was
She used to live
Punjabi.
in Ahmedabad. This side is still dry.
She lives in Jodhpur, but his brother-in-law was staying in Ahmedabad. So she usually comes to get together in something maybe like that.
Need some more water?
Yeah, now water.
You put. I don't want to put.
What I do, little I take it and put it aside. So then take the other. Then I will see how oil we need it.
So the portion that is done, you will keep it
Yeah,
aside.
keep it aside because then other part I can use it.
Okay. This is hard for me. I don't know if I can do it. But I know they taste very good. That's my favorite vegetarian food.
Yeah, bit tough. So this will be enough. 1 cup, I think. So this is 1 cup. I don't
So
know.
in 3 cups of besan, you put 1 cup of oil.
Of oil, yeah.
Okay.
Approximately like 1 cup is there.
Some more water.
Water. Yeah.
So I think we'll be using half a cup of water in 3 cups of besan and 1 cup of oil.
Yeah.
So we have to make the hard dough, not
Hard
very
dough, no,
soft.
yeah, not
very
soft.
hard. If I can see that.
You can try. Want to try?
Okay, I can do it.
Then I'll see.
That's okay.
I want to see this corner. We have to put little oil and I take it.
So no more water needed.
No more.
You are good at using oil as it is. So.
There's a reason for that.
Mm-hmm.
Gattas should be soft.
Okay. For soft gattas, use a lot of oil.
Yeah.
1 cup of oil in 3 cups of besan.
Yeah.
That's easy to remember.
It is.
1 minute. Let me
Do it
just-
first and then I'll.
It's nice and hard.
Yeah. It should be like that otherwise. And for the timing, we'll go and put water
Okay.
boiling.
Okay, you finish this. I'll put the water to boil. In a big pan?
Yeah. Big.
Okay, I'll put the water to boil. You keep going.
Yeah, that's fine. At least 3 cups of water. 3 cups of water. Now dough is ready. See, it is hard. You can touch it and feel it that it is.
Okay.
And then you have to make a ball like this, and then
That's small size?
yeah, not too much. Don't take too much because you have to make it.
This is good?
Yeah, but you know, see, you have to do like this. The sticks should be not too big, thick. We'll make like a.
Okay. Something like this? This is good?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
nice.
so I'll just keep them here.
It's a little thicker, but we'll make it a bit thin. It should be a little thinner. See, you made it little.
Okay. This is a lot of work, huh? Last time you made those tikkis and that was a 5-minute job. This is difficult.
If you will make it thicker, then it will not boil nicely.
Okay. Yeah, inside will be
Yeah.
not cooked.
See, I made it 2 of 4. This kind.
Okay. Thin.
Thin.
I can do it. The gattas are ready. See how thin and nice they are. Now we'll boil them in the water. The water is boiling. We'll drop them in the water.
Sorry,
All?
yeah.
Yeah, how long we have to boil these?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay.
Now we are
So gattas are ready?
ready. Yeah, ready.
Okay, so these are ready. We'll
Ready.
take them out in a bowl because we'll be using this water in which we boil the gattas to make the gravy.
Yeah.
We'll be using that. So I'm just taking out all the gattas in the and we'll keep them aside.
Now we will cut the gattas into small pieces.
Oh, you're cutting them in
Then
pieces.
yeah, pieces like this. And see, inside they are cooked.
Mhm. You know, we are making them in the gravy now. But one of my friends, she used to bring gattas to school and she used to fry them.
I will fry also that
Oh,
you can eat like that, or you can put in the gravy.
Okay, because
That's
I
why I
remember
told
she used
you.
to,
Yeah.
And she used to call it taka paisa.
Yeah.
Because they're round, so taka paisa she used to call them.
That's why I am
Delhi?
saying shahi gatta, because it will be now again fried.
Okay. We fry them and then put them in the gravy.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the heated pan, put the oil, add the oil. Then you have to add the gattas. Just fry little gattas like this, so it will be like you can eat just like that, or you can put in the gravy also.
Oh, you have to stir fry them.
Just stir fry a little bit. And then we put some spices. Okay. Coriander powder, chaat masala, and red chili.
And if you want to eat like snack, like my friend used to bring, you just eat like this, huh? Can I taste one? Very good. Very soft and very nice. Let me taste one. Very tasty.
The gattas are ready, and now I'll take it out in the bowl. And now I am making gravy.
Three tablespoons oil.
3 to 4.
4. Okay, 4 tablespoons oil. You can put as much as you want, but Asha puts 4 tablespoons. Huh?
Yeah, I put 4.
And then jeera.
Jeera.
Fry it for some time.
Yeah, and then we'll add masala. All together we can add.
Okay. So we are putting ginger, green chilies,
Yeah.
and the methi, kasuri methi. Okay.
And then we'll curry patta.
Curry patta. Chopped curry patta. I chopped this for you.
Yeah. And you have to put all these masalas.
All the dry masalas.
Dry masala.
Tahini, red chili, turmeric, garam masala and dhania. Put it. Okay. So everything is in now.
See, it's become dry, and again you have to put it.
Little oil because it's dry. So it becomes 4 tablespoons of oil now.
And now we'll put
Onions. Okay. You don't have to brown the onions.
No, it will become brown.
It will become brown with the masala.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's 5 tablespoons. Even I'm scared of you. Even your oil.
I can't help it. Otherwise it will burn.
Okay. What will you put now?
Just wait. Little bit onion should be little thick.
Little pink? Okay. Some more oil?
No, let's see. Go on stirring it.
I think you should put some yogurt in there.
I'll do it. That's better.
Yeah. As it is, we have to use the yogurt. So. Wow, nice masala. Very nice smell.
Yogurt is done and you add.
Tomato?
You see tomato is needed? Yeah. According to the size.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chili also.
We put the tomatoes, we put the yogurt, we put some curry patta, we put some
Red
coriander powder, coriander leaves, and we put some whole red chilies. Everything is in now, and it smells so good. Our gravy is ready. Now we'll put the water that we saved from the gattas when they were boiling. So we'll use that water here.
we'll
And
add
we'll-
more water
Yeah,
because
like 1 cup water.
yeah.
We'll see how much more we need, but for now we put
Because besan so
let it boil. Yeah, the masala smells so good. Okay, let it boil and then we'll put the gattas in there.
add it and slowly
Okay,
slowly
will boil. So we let the gattas boil in the gravy. And you see how much gravy you need. You want them dry or you want to have more gravy, it's up to you. But you know, when they cool down, they thicken. So it's always better to put little extra water. If you like, you can eat them dry like a snack or in a gravy, however you like it. And you serve them with rotis and parathas.
Parathas also.
Yeah, parathas and rotis. Or theplas.
Thepla, yeah, thepla will be good. Puri.
Puri, thepla, roti, paratha. And with rice, no.
Rice.
They don't,
Not it.
yeah, taste good with
Because
rice.
this is too dry.
Wow, very nice.
Gattas are ready. The gravy is become thick and nice. Just leave it.
So we should put some coriander.
Coriander. Yeah.
So it's done. Our Shahi gattas are ready. They look very nice. The color is so good. And they smell so good. I'm sure they are going to taste good. So let's try it. How is it?
Very good.
Very good. Salt and everything is good.
Everything.
Okay, let me see.
Hot. Gravy good.
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.